done.
Hi guys, happy Thanksgiving and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a get ready with me. It's not a talk through voiceover or anything like that, but I did want to take the time today to record this video before my day gets started for you guys, because this is my way of saying thank you. Because as you know, I don't upload on Thursdays, but here we are, Thursday, uploading, recording and uploading. So that's a pat on my back. But I just wanted to do this video just most importantly to say thank you to all of you who support me. And I'm just so excited. I'm so excited for the holidays. I'm so excited for the new year. And oh my gosh, I cannot wait. I really love the way my hair and makeup turned out. I didn't show you guys what I did to my hair. Honestly, I just have it pinned back. I did like this little twist over here and I kind of pinned it back, but I was like, what can I do with my hair? Because I'm always just like wearing it either straight, curly, or these kind of curls, but down fully. But I wanted to do something just slightly different, and I think I really like it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that bell notification so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. I upload every Wednesday and Sunday for those of you who didn't know. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I tried to show you everything that I used. The only thing that I did not show you guys was my lip, and for my lip I just put on this L'Oreal nude palette. I really love this nude shade from L'Oreal on my lips. I think it just looks so beautiful with my skin tone. So just in case you wanted to know, that's what I got on my lips. But other than that, let's just jump right into the video.
But I love it.